welcome to BU News. I am Aditi Saxena.
And I am Shwetangi Jhunjhunwala, and here are today's top stories.
Even after 76 years of independence, underage workers are hired to work. BU News uncovers the plight of such children in Chandni Chowk.
Bennett University ties up with Innopolis University from Russia to launch its brand new AI lab.
Tourism industry bringing big bucks to the Indian economy, but the issue of sanitation leaving it in a bad light.
Cricket is no longer a man's game. A 13-year-old Noida girl dreams big playing cricket in a team of boys.
The Mamla legal hair cast leaves BU enchanted as they visit the campus to promote their upcoming Netflix show.
And now the news in detail.
Underage labour is one of the most imminent dangers to our country's future. To dig deeper into the issue, we have our ground reporter in Chandni Chowk uncovering the problem in the area.
Reality exists behind the glamour and glitter. It's common to see child labourers in Chandni Chowk working silently in the shadows. Even though the market is thriving, the existence of child labour is an alarming sign of the difficulties disadvantaged groups face.
उस दिन से मेरा बच्चा स्कूल में ही नहीं डल पाया सर मैं बिना सबूत के नहीं तो ये छोटेपन से मैं डाल देती मैं इससे दलूल क्यों बिकवाती एक ही बच्चा है मेरे पास यही.
Even though the authorities are fully aware of the issue, the dire situation is maintained by the lack of action. Many of these children spend their days peddling balloons, clothes, covers or strings.
ये क्या पढ़ाई छूट गई इनकी पढ़ाई छूट गई तो काम करने लगे और क्या.
As the day unfolds in Chandni Chowk, it's an upsetting reminder of the work that needs to be done. It's not just about addressing the symptoms, but tackling the root cause of child labor, poverty, lack of education, and social inequality. Every day that these kids and countless other like them spends on streets is a day that they have lost opportunities and potential. This is Sanya Gupta with the camerawoman Shreya Kiran Bhuyan from BU News.
Bennett University media students can now work with AI in the state-of-the-art AI lab as Times School of Media launches a brand new AI lab in collaboration with Innopolis University from Russia.
Bennett University on Monday, 26th of February, welcomed delegates from Russia's Innopolis University. The delegation received a traditional welcome by the students from the Times School of Media. Representing Innopolis University was a delegation of 6 professors, helmed by Professor Iskander Bariv, Deputy Director and Head of Advanced Engineering School, and Professor Ramil Kulev, Head of the Artificial Intelligence Center. The team's purpose of visit was to sign a Memorandum of Understanding with Bennett University to officiate the launch of a collaborative international AI-driven research lab at the academic en bloc for the Times School of Media. Formalities were followed by a campus tour with the 2 stops including TSOM's Radio Lab, TV Studio and the recently built lab at NLH 314 that would host the AI-driven research computers. During this tour, Professor Bariv and Professor Kulev also sat down for a short student-led media interview that provided knowledge on the technology Innopolis University brings to the table with this MOU. Dr. Sanjeev Ratan Singh, TSOM's Dean and a prominent figure in India's digital broadcast industry, will spearhead the lab's AI research initiatives. His 23-plus years of experience in journalism, editing and multimedia content creation encompasses digital, TV and print media.
You are going to be the content creators of the future. It is very important and imperative to understand the importance of technology, the importance of emerging technologies like metaverse, artificial intelligence, because they are going to be a part of your lives when you start working.
Afternoon culminated with the leadership from Innopolis University imparting their knowledge and insight on AI to the students of Bennett University, igniting their curiosity and enthusiasm for the subject. In the session, Iskander Bariv highlighted the joint research opportunities for both the universities in the AI domain.
The sanitation crisis in the country have been ever growing and have been impacting its image in front of tourists for long. Here's our ground reporter at the Red Fort.
Sanitation plays a crucial role when it comes to tourism. It becomes all the more important when it comes to sanitation at the top tourist destinations of our country. When one is walking towards the Red Fort, through the lens of Chandni Chowk, we see an ugly side of this country's sanitation problems. Lanes with heaps of garbage, plastic waste, and food waste thrown along them. Worn out dustbins with trash collected all around them. People throwing food waste all around street hawkers. It is not an easy sight to see. People even throw empty plastic bottles and wrappers inside the main boundary of the Red Fort. But when we visited to another famous tourist destination in the same city, the India Gate, we see a different sight. Rows of clean lanes, well-groomed gardens, surrounded with water fountains. We talked to some of the tourists at India Gate to know what they felt about this environment.
यहाँ की जो साफ़ सफाई की अवस्था है आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छी लगी। आपको जगह घूमने में आपका अनुभव कैसा रहा? बहुत अच्छी है। आप कहीं और दिल्ली में ऐसी जगह घूमी है, लाल किला या कहीं और? वहाँ का जो साफ़ सफाई होता है उसके हिसाब से ये कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा है। ये उससे ज़्यादा है? तो आपको लगता है कि जगह की साफ़ सफाई से जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं, जो घूमते हैं, उनके अनुभव में कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है?
पड़ता है।
आपके अनुभव में फ़र्क पड़ा कुछ?
तो पड़ा है, पहले का अपेक्षा अभी बहुत अच्छा है।
We just saw two different places with two different stories to tell. While the unsanitary conditions around Red Fort were a sore sight to see, the clean and pleasant environment around India Gate is both pleasant and inviting to tourists and residents alike. Clearly, sanitation plays a crucial role when it comes to tourism in Delhi.
In an exceptional showcase of tenacity, a 13-year-old Noida girl plays cricket with 21 other boys. Here is her story.
Recently, I went to a cricket ground where a match was going on, and I noticed that in both the teams there was only one girl named Anshika who was playing in all 22 players, and I was totally shocked that why only one girl and not other. So after the match, I decided and talked to her.
मेरा नाम अंशिका भाटी है और मैं सैदरा से रहती हूँ। मेरे पापा जी का नाम प्रमोद भाटी है और मेरे पापा जी बिजनेसमैन है और मेरे पापा जी ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया है क्रिकेट के लिए। मैं गली क्रिकेट खेलती थी, फिर मेरे पापा जी ने देखा तो उन्होंने कहा वो मुझे एकेडमी लेकर आई, तो मैंने 2020 से स्टार्ट किया है। 4 साल हो गए मुझे और गर्ल्स वुमेन्स क्रिकेट देख के मैंने अपना आइडल हरमनप्रीत कौर को माना है।
आपके लिए क्रिकेट क्या है?
मेरे लिए क्रिकेट सबसे पहले मेरी कैरियर है, इससे ही मैं अपना आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ और मेरे पापा जी चाहते हैं कि मैं क्रिकेटर बनूँ और मैं क्रिकेटर बन के दिखाऊँ। थैंक यू।
After talking to her with a positive attitude and a positive intent, now let's talk to her coach and try to get something more about the player, the champ, the girl who plays between 22 other boys.
ऐसी इकलौती लड़की है जिसको मैं प्रैक्टिस कराता हूँ। कम से कम 25-30 बच्चे हैं मेरे पास। ये इकलौती लड़की है जिसको प्रैक्टिस कराता हूँ। उन 30 लड़कों को टक्कर देती है। मेरे साथ ही इसने लगभग 3-4 सेंचुरी मार चुकी है। ये लड़कों में खेल के, ना कि लड़कियों में खेल, जबकि वो चीज़ लड़के नहीं कर पाते। मेरे जो टीम के अकॉर्डिंग मैं कोच में देखता हूँ, मेरी टीम में सबसे बेस्ट ये है। इंडिया लेवल भी है, इतना टैलेंटेड है बच्ची में, है इतना। फ्रेंड्स भी सपोर्ट करते हैं इनके, ऐसी बात नहीं है। ठीक है, हम भी
Let's come together and support women cricket. Reporting Suyesh Mansal with cameraman Kriti Sahai. Thank you.
The Mamla Legal cast visited Bennett University. The students were ecstatic to meet the lead star Ravi Kishan. Our correspondent Kriti Sahani has the story.
जिंदगी झंडवा नमः पार्वती पते नमः पार्वती पते भारत माता की।
The cast of new Netflix courtroom comedy Mamla Legal hai recently visited Bennett University. Ravi Kishan, a well-known actor with a portfolio of 700 plus films across Bollywood, Telugu and Bhojpuri cinema. He is also a BJP MP from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Nidhi Bisht, a talented co-star in the series, and director Rahul Pandey visited the university. Ravi sir guided students by telling them that they should read a lot. By reading, students can understand the mindset of people. He also said that there is a reason that people are born. They should find that reason and work on it.
रोज शूज पहन के तैयार रहता था स्ट्रगल करने। मुझे मालूम काम मिलेगा पता नहीं था, लेकिन आई शुड बी रेडी लाइक सोल्जर कि आज कहीं से भी कुछ होगा, रेडी रहता था मैं. अपॉर्चुनिटी कैन नॉक योर डोर, यू हैव टू बी रेडी.
Ravi sir visited the moot court where he addressed the law students.
मैं रवि किशन, मैं एज अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और एज एन एक्टर आप सबको बहुत सारी बधाई देता हूँ फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर, और आप लोग जीवन में बहुत आगे जाएं, एक अच्छा
Mamla Legal is a courtroom comedy releasing on 1st March on Netflix. The audience was filled with motivation and inspiration by the wise words of Ravi Kishan sir. This is Kriti Sani with cameraman Shaurya Singh, BU Live.
These were today's top stories. I am Shwetangi Junjunwala.
I'm Aditi Saxena and you are watching BU News.